This lesson we're going to learn how to set up a tool on the lathe. First thing I'd like you to do is go into your offset page. Look for G54 and make sure your Z is set to 0. If it is not, enter 0 F1. Let's clear that code out. Now we're going to go into our manual side. We don't want manual, we want to go over to setup. See, it's red, we're going to enter, then come over to tool and enter. This is where we're going to enter our diameter, our offset coordinates, and then our diameter. So we have to enter a speed. We're going to use an MO3 clockwise command. The speed is 1200 and press cycle start. Door is open. Cycle start. I'm just going to shut off the guard so we can set up this properly. So you go to setting graph, 51, down, go to on for override, and press Y for yes. Now we can open the spindle to show you how to set up this. So we're physically going to turn some diameter. We're going to shut off the spindle. And we're going to bring out our carriage, and we're not going to move the X-axis. We have to leave it in that position. Then we're going to measure with a micrometer. Never measure your diameter with a vernier, always a micrometer. So that says 1.573. At this point we're going to enter X diameter measure. That changes that value, and it's asking for a number here, 1.573, and we're going to enter that. It's going to add to this diameter. So there, your X diameter is set up accurately using a micrometer. We go down to Z, we turn the spindle on. And once again, we're physically going to turn some of this material off. And I'm going to leave it in that position without moving the Z carriage. Spindle off, and you go Z face measure, changes this length offset. So this concludes how to set up a tool using X diameter measure and Z face measure.